I'm busy with the antioxidant bootcamp preparation, and it's the first time that we're going to present the bootcamp in English, not on Sunday. On Sunday, 7 o'clock South African time, it will be in Afrikaans, and you will get your notes in Afrikaans as usual. And on Wednesday, it will repeat 10 o'clock in the morning in Afrikaans, again with the PDF in Afrikaans. But we are going to do the bootcamp 4:30 on Wednesday morning for the international audience, only in English. So on the Afrikaans bootcamps, you can speak English if you want. We have a couple of English-speaking friends who understand Afrikaans, and they attend those bootcamps as well. We will also be doing a mindset bootcamp on a Saturday morning, 4:30 in the morning for the international audience in English. It will be a mindset bootcamp. Our mindset bootcamps normally is on a Thursday in Afrikaans, and it will still remain like that, 6 o'clock in the evening, and it repeats 8 o'clock in the morning. We've moved it to 8 o'clock from 10 o'clock. It used to be on 10 o'clock or at 10 o'clock, but it is in Afrikaans on Thursdays, and on Thursdays it will be on 6 o'clock in the evening, and the other Thursday it will be 8 o'clock in the morning. But on a Saturday morning, 4:30 in the morning, which is a crazy time, we are going to do a mindset bootcamp for the international audience. So why do we do it in such a crazy hour in South Africa for English-speaking friends? Unfortunately, to cater for the USA and for Australia and New Zealand, this is the most common time I could find to cater for a mindset to accommodate everybody. So we'll only be speaking English in the mindset bootcamp 4:30 on a Saturday morning, and on a Wednesday morning 4:30 we will be doing the second presentation of the bootcamp, the educational bootcamp that happened on the Sunday. In this case, it's the antioxidant bootcamps. We have got bootcamps for every Sunday. This antioxidant bootcamp is literally the 99th bootcamp that we are presenting. So you will be getting your, if you attend the English educational bootcamps, you'll be getting your notes in English. The recipes is easy. The recipes are still in Afrikaans, but if you use the auto translate function on YouTube, you can translate the recipes if you don't understand Afrikaans at all. Unfortunately, 99.9% of my coaching friends are Afrikaans speaking, or they at least understand Afrikaans, and that is why we will be keep doing the recipes in Afrikaans. But auto translate is just a short video of 1.5 minutes, and you get your recipe. You click auto translate where it says CC closed captions, auto translate to English, and in text you'll see as I present the recipe, the text will be there in English. What's up, me, Carnival Kidavo Coaching. The reason why I started to do this is in English is because we are going to do, or I'm going to talk at the World Nutritional Summit, and I'm starting to make more English videos as well. I'm still going to cater 100% for Afrikaans, the Afrikaans audience, but there is definitely some people that don't understand Afrikaans. So what's up, me, do Carnival Kidavo Coaching. I'm 6 years carnivore coach, qualified through Rivero That Health. I'm 7 years on the carnivore diet. What's up, me? Mindset bootcamps is about mindset. Educational bootcamps is topics like cholesterol, heart health, antioxidants, etc. Mindset bootcamps, you talk to the coaching friends. Our coaching session will be on WhatsApp video call per appointment. There's different packages, but if you WhatsApp me, I'll send you the details.